Welcome back, part 27. If you remember rightly, we managed to break the sight glass. So I've ordered a new sight glass, just cheap one off eBay. It seems reasonable quality though. I think the standard one might be better. There's two ways to tackle this. We can drift it in, a piece of wood, and use a hammer to knock in. But I think what we're going to do is press it in. First things first, let's get the cover off. And if you remember rightly, I greased the gasket before I put it on, and so now the gasket's come off in pretty good condition. So we'll retry that and see if we can reuse that. So a tiny little smear of silica sealant, just mostly on the back. It's pointless putting it on the sides, it's just going to squeeze out anyway. I'm just going to use the small block of wood as a little bit of a cushion and just wind it in with the G-clamp. That's went in surprisingly easy. I'm really happy with that. It's gone in quite nicely. Right, simple matter now. Place the cover, put all the bolts back in, a bit more grease on the gasket and plenty of copper grease, and that's the job done. I think we'll leave it there. Short and sweet today. I'll see you on the next one.